how to connect JumpTask to Binance. So you can do this directly in the login section in the app. And of course, right before you log in, there should be a wallet connect option right below the other options, which is continuing with Google or Facebook. So if you want to connect to your Binance, press on the wallet connect, and you can choose either the mobile or browser. If you choose the mobile option, it should just load like so, and it will directly open up the Binance wallet automatically, and it should look something like that. If your Binance was already logged in and whatnot, the process should just be smooth and just directly log in and connect to your JumpTask. But if not, you're gonna have to log into your Binance account and directly just connect to your JumpTask. You can only do this if your Binance is verified though, and then you can follow up with the next process by connecting your JumpTask to your Binance or doing the likewise option. But that's pretty much how you do that process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.